Tigerwood T&G Decking, Goncalo Alves, at 2,160 Pals First, Janka. Interlocking tongue and groove profile, concealed fastening, and the most visually distinctive grain pattern in tropical decking. Here's the spec breakdown. Nominal 5/4 by 6. Actual dimensions 1 inch thick, 5.5 inches wide. Tongue and groove profile. Boards interlock edge to edge and are fastened through the tongue, eliminating exposed hardware on the deck surface. Available in 1 through 22-foot lengths. Boards arrive surfaced, straight, and dimensionally consistent, ready to rack on delivery. Single profile for this SKU, tongue and groove. Surfaces are machine plane smooth. The T&G joint is precision milled for consistent interlock. Concealed fastening through the tongue is compatible with standard hidden deck fastener systems. No pre-treatment required before installation. The natural grain absorbs oil finishes consistently, though the color variation is dramatic enough that many clients leave it natural. Janka hardness, 2,160 pounds force, well above domestic pine, cedar, and most composite alternatives. High natural oil content delivers excellent durability, resistant to rot, decay, and insect penetration without chemical treatment. Performs well in high-traffic deck applications and pool surrounds. Up to 50-plus year service life in exterior decking conditions. Ships direct to job site or terminal. Delivery options available nationwide. Custom length configurations and volume orders available. Contact our team for lead times on large quantity specs. Ipe Woods USA carries one of the broadest selections